What's going on, guys? Christian here from CK Wraps. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you appreciate what I'm doing and you think that this car look behind me looks amazing. This is a 2019 Camaro Zl1. We've done the hood in Ivory Satin Black. We've done the front lip in Vivid Tech Art Gloss Carbon Fiber, as well as the mirrors, the side skirt, the spoiler, and the rear diffuser. So quite a bit of work involved with this. The details are a little bit challenging with the Tech Art carbon fiber because it is a multi-layer film. It's not a printed film, so it's about 3 layers, quite thick, a little bit hard, very difficult to use when it comes to these kind of intricate pieces, especially the front lip and the rear diffuser. Even the mirrors, quite hard to use. All right, so this is not an easy task. I rewrapped several pieces a couple of times just to make sure that it was as good as it could possibly be. So what I want to do is go over the car with you. Everything that I've used to install, including the vinyl itself, I'll put a link in the description below, so you're welcome to grab any of that stuff if you want. But let's go have a look at the car. So these cars here, we're probably going to be doing a little bit more work on the Mercedes GTC. Beautiful, it's got a red top. We've got a Ferrari right there. Oh man, it's in black. It's like my favorite thing ever. So all these cars are black. Honestly, great taste as far as these go. They're beautiful, beautiful cars. I don't think I've ever seen, I saw often you see Ferraris that are in black. We've got some red accents on the wheels. All the wheels are custom ordered for these vehicles. And so here is the Zl1, brand new 2019, all right? So I'm gonna start this guy up and I'm gonna roll it out. Sounds violent. So this car is about just over 800 horsepower. It's insane. I don't even actually know what they come in stock, but I mean that's a lot of horsepower. So we have the hood in satin black. That's real carbon fiber insert, and then we have the front lip carbon fiber. So the paint on this vehicle is extremely soft, actually. This thing only has 200 miles on it. So here's the mirror, one piece. Here is the lower side skirt. If you guys can see, it's all the way underneath, all the way wrapped. We have the spoiler, and just the top of the spoiler was done, not the underside. Not an easy piece to wrap either. Even though we didn't go all the way underneath, we still went underneath using knifeless tape. Okay. And then we have the rear diffuser. This thing took about 3.5 hours to wrap. So not an easy piece, but it does give it a very realistic effect for a lot less of the cost. If I didn't show you that this was wrapped, you probably wouldn't even know. So this spoiler is 3 pieces. There's an inlay right here on each side, and then this center piece right here is another piece, and then it's just one piece after that. Same with this side here, and then our mirror on this side. And that's it, guys. So it's pretty much an entire day's worth of work. It wasn't, it probably didn't go as quickly as I thought it would. I rewrapped a couple of pieces, and just to make sure that everything came out as perfect as absolutely possible. Again, a bit more of a challenging film to work with, but when it comes to the details, which is all I did on this car was details, other than the hood would have probably been the easiest part to wrap in this carbon fiber, but hey, We did it in satin black. I think it looks phenomenal. And guys, let me know what you think in the comment section below. I've got a lot of demo products on the way, new videos and stuff like that that'll be on its way. And I just wanted to show you what I had been working on my vacation. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked the car. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Take care.